There's always paperwork involved. And it's funny because some people don't believe that in culinary that you have to do paperwork. Well, bills have to get paid, recipes have to be done. There's plenty of math involved. And in school, there was a lot of deadlines. There were paperwork that had to be on whatever day it was. We took quiz tests, there were practicals. And so it just prepared you that, okay, in the real world, there are tests and there are paperwork that has to get done. And that's how we did it. Well, it's funny because the Art Institute not only gets you ready with the techniques and with, classical French or some of the skills that you need in the beginning, but it also allows you to be able to have, Asian cuisine. You have Latin American. You have the restaurant class. You have all these different things. So you get exposed to a lot of different cuisines that maybe you didn't grow up eating. I know that I had a good childhood because my mom, was very versatile. She find out about a soup and she come home and make it. So but everybody's background is a little bit different, so being able to experience it in the class setting and just with 5 hours just worth of cooking, whether it be Korean food or Japanese food, and so that really was able to open my eyes and let me know there's so much more than what I just know. It's funny because when you come into culinary school, you come with the idea of I'm going to learn how to cook, and you definitely are going to learn that, but you're going to learn a lot more. You still have to take math. You're still going to have to take speech class. You're still going to, it's so many other things that you're still going to learn. And then you're going to get in depth with culinary skills like food costs, which is something that you'll do every single day of your restaurant. And it's something you have to know how to do in order to make money. If you can't do food costs, simple math, then you're not going to make money. You're going to learn about products. You're going to learn about where things go in the kitchen. You're going to learn about safety and sanitation. This is like the foundation of things that you need in order to be a great chef. It's not all about just cooking. There's so much more. And I think that a lot of people don't realize that when they sign up for school.